growing rift that you see in the India bloc. There is no end to the conundrum over who's supporting whom. This time it's a remark by the NCP Sharad Pawar faction and by Sharad Pawar, the man himself, who says that Delhi should support Arvind Kejriwal.
नहीं, मैंने बजट दी थी, मैंने ये जो दिल्ली का इलेक्शन में मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया। मेरा व्यक्तिगत राय ये थी कि दिल्ली केजरीवाल का देश है। इनके हाथ में 2 बार दिल्ली की जनता ने हुकूमत दी थी और इसीलिए उनको कॉन्फिडेंस में लेकर हम लेकर कुछ कर सकते थे तो अच्छा होता था। हुआ नहीं, छोड़ दी।
We also have a colleague Arunil who's joining us live and he has more insight into this. You know, Arunil, many people said that this is just a matter of time. The Congress is isolated and how? But is anyone even listening to what you have leaders one after the other saying, and particularly, you know, Sharad Pawar obviously saying that Arvind Kejriwal needs to be backed in this good fight because he's the only one who can defeat the BJP in Delhi.
Well, that is right. Sharad Pawar is not the only one, but yes, he is the most experienced leader from the India bloc. He was the part of the think tank of the India bloc as well. His full backing for Arvind Kejriwal over the Congress party becomes very, very significant. Before him was an indirect support from Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena as well. Even Mamata Banerjee had to an extent given her support to Arvind Kejriwal. Other parties included. We have seen Akhilesh Yadav also hitting out at the Congress party in the past, basically saying that the interest of the regional parties basically needs to be taken into consideration. Here, Aam Aadmi Party obviously is not, cannot be considered as a regional party, but it is in the government and it will be fighting to safeguard its government. And many of the leaders from the India bloc basically have openly backed Arvind Kejriwal and his party over the Congress party. How Rahul Gandhi or Mallikarjun Kharge basically will be looking at this, considering Sharad Pawar is the most long-term alliance partner of the Congress party, himself a Congress leader at one point of time, a strong senior Congress leader, later on separated, formed his own party, but has always been in an alliance with the Grand Old Party. Now, him saying that the people of Delhi, and he also feels that they should support Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi, becomes very, very significant, and it mounts pressure on the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi as well, whether they will back out from the race, considering so many of the India bloc partners are openly backing Arvind Kejriwal. That is also a big question that comes to the fore.
You know, Arunil, what is the politics behind this? Because clearly Sharad Pawar, there have been enough and many indications that, you know, he's also under a lot of pressure. So is someone like an Uddhav Thackeray. You have the big BMC elections. But if you look at the big picture, you know, there is some bit of problem and discomfort with the way Rahul Gandhi literally has taken on his own allies. I mean, you look at the kind of language he's used for Arvind Kejriwal just about last evening in Delhi.
Well, certainly, yes. Most of these alliance partners, if we speak about, I was speaking about Akhilesh Yadav, openly criticizing the moves by the Congress party, be it in Haryana elections, be it in Maharashtra as well. Uddhav Thackeray, another key alliance partner, ideologically different from the Congress party. Basically, his leaders have been saying that they should be going solo. They don't want to remain in an alliance with the Congress party. Also, basically giving clear indications that in the upcoming BMC polls, Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena may be, there are clear indications that he will be going solo in the BMC polls as well as in the Pune Municipal Corporation polls. Sharad Pawar also answered the question on that. Said that India bloc was only formed to contest the Lok Sabha polls. It is we who took ahead the alliance in our state elections, but it is not mandatory that we should follow the guidelines of the India bloc or the alliance dharma of the India bloc in in the local body polls as well. And mostly we are not going to follow that in the civic body polls. That is what Sharad Pawar basically has said. Many of these alliance partners of the Congress party, India Bloc alliance partners, have been saying that their interest as a regional party is not taken into consideration by the Congress party, which has its stakes in other in numerous states across India.
Okay.
Be it in Haryana, be it in Maharashtra, be it in West Bengal. If in West Bengal TMC is a strong contender, the Congress should realize it. If in Aam Aadmi Party is a strong contender in Punjab or in Delhi, the Congress should accept that fact. And this is what is not happening from the Congress's leadership.
Okay.
This kind of a sentiment is been echoed by most of the leaders from the India Bloc, be it Akhilesh Yadav, be it Uddhav Thackeray or be it Mamata Banerjee.
That is true, Arunil. We'll track what happens next because the story clearly is just not limited to Maharashtra. What Sharad Pawar said. In fact, just taking a cue from what you have said, we'll take the story ahead because Rahul Gandhi has entered the Delhi Dangal. And he holds his very first rally in Selampur just about last evening. He once again goes on to claim that the Modi government is favouring industrialists like Adani. He doesn't just stop there. He goes after Arvind Kejriwal, and probably for the very first time since you have the 2024 Lok Sabha elections where both the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, remember, fight the BJP together. They don't win any seats. But today Rahul Gandhi is citing rising pollution to accuse the Aam Aadmi Party convener of making false promises. He also says that there is no difference between Narendra Modi and Arvind Kejriwal because both of them make false promises.
केजरीवाल जी ने अडानी जी के बारे में कुछ बोला है और जब मैं जाति जनगणना की बात करता हूं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकलता और केजरीवाल जी के मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकलता है। और उन्होंने कहा था कि भ्रष्टाचार को अरविंद केजरीवाल जी मिटाएंगे। अब आप बताइए, दिल्ली में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने भ्रष्टाचार मिटाया क्या?
And if this wasn't good enough, there is another tirade that has been launched by Rahul Gandhi against Arvind Kejriwal, who continues to mock Arvind Kejriwal's so-called Delhi model.
दिल्ली देखो, चमकती हुई दिल्ली, पेरिस जैसी दिल्ली है, सब जगह यही हाल है। दिल्ली देखो, चमकती हुई दिल्ली, पेरिस जैसी दिल्ली है, सब जगह यही हाल है।
So just look at Rahul Gandhi here, what he has to say. And clearly he not just mocks Arvind Kejriwal, but he's obviously making a statement because he thinks that he needs to win Delhi anyhow. Now the Congress party, as expected, has backed Rahul Gandhi's comments.
पिछले 3 बार से केजरीवाल जी सरकार बना रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा था गंगा के पानी का आचमन मैं जमुना के पानी का आचमन मैं खुद करूंगा। हालात ये हो गए कि अपनी बार छठ पर वहां पर इतना प्रदूषित झाग बह रहा था कि पूजा करना मुश्किल हो गया था। सड़कों की हालत क्या हो गई। झुग्गी झोपड़ियों के लिए हर बार झूठे वादे होते हैं, पूरे नहीं होते। उनके गवर्नर एक नेता की तरह तो बोलते हैं, पर जनता के हित के लिए कोई काम नहीं करते। और इस बार हम दावे से कहते हैं कि शीला दीक्षित जी की सरकार के बाद फिर कांग्रेस की वापसी होगी।